Let's go.
Look at that outfit, dude. Jesus.
What's up, guys? Welcome in. This will be our second video from Tennessee. Still Easter Sunday, and we're sitting on top of the world right now. If you haven't seen how we got here, that should be the last video. You can go check that out. But we're moving on now. We don't have an actual destination. We just kind of know what trails we're gonna hit. I think we're doing some scenic stuff. But we're gonna leave the top of the world on trail 30, which is blue. Then there's a blue cut through trail to get us to blue trail 22. And that looks like a nice long trail. It says there's a playground, a cave. So we're gonna go check out all that stuff, and we'll bring you guys along. what that trail was, like I said, that's it on the map. We came from 30 and got on this little guy here to get to 22. But this guy here is blue, but that's rowdy. That'd be a tough customer to get up.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, we're on 22, we're right here. There's a cave, so we're gonna check that out. Since I failed the first day for filming and all that, and I've shot like 30 different intros, and we're only on the second video here. I think I forgot to mention in this one, for mapping, these are the free maps off of Facebook for Tackett Creek Mafia, and they're pretty damn accurate. I've got them on Orux maps, O-R-U-X. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that. You can also put them on Google Earth and follow them that way. That's what Steph's doing. But here's a cave.
Yeah, clean the lens.
What's that?
Oh, you can crawl in there.
Get in there, dude. You'll find something else.
Hey, you want to take my picture?
Yeah.
It's a video, dude.
It's just a bear in his den.
Right.
Since we've never been in any of the TWRA stuff, we're trying to get scenic stuff as well, not just going for the red trails. If I do that, everyone else will kill me. So we got to see the sights. Huh?
I know where you sleep.
So
you have one eye open.
there was a playground back there. I don't know if that's gonna make it in the video because there wasn't much to that trail. Big mud holes, so we didn't play in the playground. So after that cave, we were on 22. Most of that we didn't film. In fact, I don't think any of it got filmed. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward stuff. No actual challenges. And then I showed you guys a little bit of Trail 20, which is also a blue trail. And we took that to get to Trail 31, which is here. This one's a red trail, so it's a most difficult is their rating for it. So I have no idea what's down this trail, but we're gonna find out. And if there's some cool spots, we'll get out and film. Well, I got up. I probably should have had dude get out and film. I screwed that up. But I'll get Steph and dude coming up this. It's not too crazy, just some rocks, but you get hung up on trailing arms and such. We got Steph coming up. Trail 31. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, your axles are good.
See, that's what I was afraid of.
Oh.
That fucking one, man.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, unlikely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
call for the day, and then Steph had an idea to come to, hold on, let me get the name, Hickory Creek Falls, which was near the access road we took. So we decided to take that and run that down to a little waterfall. So let's go take a look at that. All right, guys, pretty cool. I don't know, looks like people might swim there. I know before we've watched a Can-Am crew video, and I think this is where they were swimming and picnicking. A little too chilly for us to swim, but checked it out, knocked it off the list. It's trail 37. You can see it's up here, and we ran it from this little access road and ran 37 all the way up. So I'm going to show you some of this trail on our way out of here. It's a neat trail, not crazy hard or anything. And then we're gonna stop. There was a cool spot, like with a little mountain pond. We're gonna stop on our way back this time, and I'll show you guys that. So I'll catch up with you when we're there.
Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you want to taste me, you can try me. If you want to hate this, you know where to find me.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like a sand splash came running through here.
No rising, you don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you want to taste me, you can fucking try me. If you want to hate me, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me.
The sand splash coming at me.
You're looking like the Sam Squash right now.
Yeah, dude.
Me. Relax.
I am.
It's called fashion. You guys should try it sometime. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this trail. I'll catch up with you guys when we're back at our Airbnb. We're going to be hitting the road now and heading back, so I'll check in with you then.
346 minutes later.
We are back at our Airbnb. That's it for our second day here. First day of filming. Like I said, last video, I failed the first day, and the weather was shit anyways. So that's it. Next video will be wherever we start tomorrow. Still have to figure that out, but while I got you here, I'll show you what the views are like at the Airbnb now that it's not rainy, foggy, and cloudy. Wind chime, but yeah, this is from the front porch. Not bad. I'll show you what the back porch is before I let you go. Then here's the back porch. Alright, that's it for this one. Thank you guys for checking out that G Life UTV affiliate link in all our descriptions. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Yeah.